Hi everyone, my name is Rosariana Medina. Welcome to my gallery with me. I always wake up at 7 a.m. I usually stay in bed for a few minutes. I always take a shower before breakfast. I never skip my morning coffee. I almost always eat eggs for breakfast, sometimes with fruit. I exercise at home almost every day. I usually read for 20 minutes every morning. I usually study on my computer for several hours. I always cook my lunch. I rarely eat out. Sometimes I go to the park to walk. Sometimes I eat ice cream. I usually watch TV in the evening. I never go to the beach late. I always drink water before bed. Thank you.